The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Norge, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chickasha, Newcastle, Blanchard, Tuttle, Dibble, KOUN, Amber, Bridge Creek, Norge, Middleberg, Tabler, Ninnekah, and Laverty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.